Today we will prepare together delicious cauliflower fritters, crispy on the outside and soft on the inside, with a delicate balance between the flavor of the cabbage and the parmesan. Ingredients: a medium cauliflower, 2 eggs, 120 grams of flour, 60 grams of grated parmesan, 1 clove of garlic, fresh parsley, salt, black pepper, vegetable oil for frying. Start by cleaning the cauliflower, removing the outer leaves, and cutting it into small florets. Boil the cauliflower in plenty of salted water until tender but not falling apart. Once cooked, drain and let it cool slightly. Then mash it coarsely with a fork or a vegetable mill. In a bowl, beat the eggs with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Add the mashed cauliflower, flour, parmesan, minced garlic, and parsley. Mix all the ingredients well. Heat abundant vegetable oil in a frying pan. When it is hot, take spoonfuls of the batter and fry them for a few minutes on each side until golden and crispy. Drain the fritters on kitchen paper to remove excess oil, then serve them hot. To stay always updated on new delicious recipes, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to visit our website. Cauliflower fritters can be customized with chopped anchovies, capers, or olives. Moreover, they can be baked for a lighter version. Enjoy your meal.